Me, Lexi, unleash the power of your creativity.
Hello, welcome to Sunday e-learning with Macy Lexi. I am Lexi 2.0 will be covering today's topic of how to. Growing a small e-commerce business into $1 million brand within a year requires a strategic and focused approach to digital marketing. Get a paper and pen to take serious notes. If you need to step away to get a pen, please pause this video and come back. Okay. Now that you are back and ready, here are some steps you can follow to achieve this goal. Set clear goals. Define your specific business goals, such as revenue targets, customer acquisition numbers, or product sales. Having clear objectives will help you measure your progress and stay focused. Identify your target audience. Understand your target audience's demographics, interests, and behavior. This information will guide your marketing efforts and help you tailor your messaging and campaigns to reach the right people. Develop a strong brand identity. Build a unique and memorable brand identity that sets you apart from your competitors. Create a compelling brand story and ensure consistency across your website, social media profiles, and marketing materials. Optimize your website. Ensure that your e-commerce website is user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. Implement effective SEO strategies, such as using relevant keywords, optimizing page load speed, and creating high-quality content. Leverage social media marketing. Create a strong presence on social media platforms where your target audience is active. Develop a content strategy that engages and resonates with your audience, and use social media advertising to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website. Invest in paid advertising. Consider utilizing pay-per-click (PPC) advertising platforms like Google Ads or social media ads, example, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Create well-targeted campaigns with compelling ad copy and high-converting landing pages to maximize your return on investment. Implement email marketing. Build an email list of potential and existing customers and use email marketing campaigns to nurture relationships, promote your products or services, and drive sales. Offer incentives for signups and personalize your emails to increase engagement. Utilize influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers or micro-influencers in your industry to promote your brand. Partner with individuals who have a genuine connection with your target audience and can create authentic content that drives engagement and conversions. Implement conversion rate optimization, CRO. Continuously analyze and optimize your website's conversion rate by conducting A/B tests, improving your website's usability, and optimizing your checkout process. Small improvements can have a significant impact on your bottom line. Monitor and analyze data. Regularly review your marketing campaign's performance using analytics tools like Google Analytics. Track key metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and return on investment. Use this data to make informed decisions and refine your strategies. Remember that achieving $1 million status in just 1 year is a lofty goal, and results may vary depending on your industry, competition, and other factors. However, by implementing a comprehensive digital marketing strategy and staying dedicated to your goals, you can significantly accelerate your e-commerce business's growth. If you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Watch our previous episode, the link is attached in the description below.
Stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play out